Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy using gummy bears. First, gather your gummy bears and ensure your cotton candy machine is clean and ready. Preheat the machine according to its instructions. For best results, cut any larger gummy bears into smaller, uniform pieces. This helps them melt evenly and spin into perfect fluffy strands. Get ready for a sweet treat. Now for the fun part. Carefully add a small handful of your prepared gummy pieces into the center spinner of the preheated machine. Watch as the heat melts the gummies, and the centrifugal force spins them into delicate, sugary threads. Use a paper cone or a stick to gently collect the wispy cotton candy as it forms around the bowl. Enjoy the magic. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh, whether you're preparing for work or a picnic. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. To ensure your gummy cotton candy making is a success, always work in small batches. Overfilling the spinner can clog the machine and prevent proper spinning. Don't be afraid to experiment with different gummy bear flavors to create unique and exciting combinations. Remember to clean your cotton candy machine thoroughly after each use to maintain its performance and longevity. Happy spinning!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.